Prince William and Princess Kate are redefining royal living with a hands-on approach at their Windsor home, bucking the trend of royal opulence. Unlike previous generations, they're choosing to raise their three children, George, Charlotte, and Louis, with minimal help and a strong emphasis on normalcy and self-reliance. The contrast between the current and past royal lifestyles is striking. Prince William's father, as Prince of Wales, had an extensive staff, including chefs, butlers, and valets. However, William and Kate's domestic life in their four-bedroom Windsor residence is a far cry from this tradition. After moving from Kensington Palace, they opted not to bring their live-in nanny, Maria Teresa Turrion-Barallo, along. Despite their high-profile status, the couple prefers to manage their household independently, with the children participating in daily chores. A source revealed, "It would surprise people to see how ordinary things are at home. The children help with laying the table, clearing their plates, and tidying up. There's no preferential treatment." This hands-on approach extends to their evenings at Adelaide Cottage, where the couple takes turns cooking, from curries to teriyaki salmon, embodying a down-to-earth family life. Kate's determination to keep the children's environment as normal as possible, especially during her recovery from cancer, reflects her upbringing and commitment to a grounded family life. Her approach contrasts with William's childhood, which was often spent with the help of nannies. Supporting their efforts, Kate occasionally turns to her mother, Carol, for assistance. The princess's goal is to instill the values of humility and hard work in her children, a principle she has embraced from her own upbringing. As the king seeks to bolster his royal kitchen staff with new recruits, the Prince and Princess of Wales are setting a new standard for royal family life. By prioritizing normalcy and self-reliance, they are not only reshaping royal traditions but also showcasing a modern approach to parenting and household management. Their commitment to a grounded lifestyle amidst their royal duties offers a refreshing glimpse into their everyday life, reflecting a blend of tradition and contemporary values.